Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is here. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 leaks are coming out pretty quickly as we are proceeding to the launch of Z Fold 4. But Samsung is trying to remove the leaks from Twitter, reassuring the leaks of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are true. Samsung will release Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in its next Unpack event in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. And according to the recent leaks, Samsung even invitation is confirming that the Samsung is going to unveil the Z Fold 4 on August 10th. And according to the leaks, the pre-orders will start on 16th, but we can expect the pre-orders the same day of the release. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Did you guys like the design of Z Fold 4 and which thing you guys preferred, a built-in S Pen or a lightest foldable smartphone? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 official renders are out where a couple of Twitter accounts shared the same images. The first images were shared by King of Leaker Evan Bloss along with 91 mobiles clearing the inner display of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and Z Fold 4 looks the same just like the Z Fold 3 refined version, not a big difference. You cannot even see the difference until you see both phones side by side, and the under display camera is less noticeable than the Z Fold 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 back images are also out confirming the design and all three colors and possibly one special edition color, where we see a beige color, phantom black and gray green, and chances are there we may see a dark red color which will only be limited to certain markets. But the thing to notice that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 beige color comes with the golden sides, so we didn't know if Samsung called this color golden or beige, but this looks good, and the camera is still the same just like the Z Fold 3, but the lenses inside them are changed. According to Ice Universe, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 new weight measurement is more than what we were previously expecting, standing at 263 grams instead of just 254 grams. Let's see which one is the real one, but we would like to see the 254 grams on Z Fold 4, because he also mentioned that there is two different experiences using a lightest foldable smartphone and a heavy foldable smartphone. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will give a better battery backup than the Z Fold 3, as the power efficiency of Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus is way better than the Snapdragon 888, and we can get a better battery backup with the same 4400 mAh battery and same 25 watt of fast charging. Samsung worked really well to stop Z Fold 4 leaks, unlike the Z Fold 3 where we get the official renders months before its launch, but now the information is also leaking of Z Fold 4 as we are so close to the launch event. The big changes we are going to see in the internals and no design change we can expect with the Z Fold 4. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Do you guys like the design of Z Fold 4 and which thing you prefer the most, a built-in S Pen or a lightest foldable smartphone? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.